Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you guys can see from the title, we are doing old favorites. So things that I have showed you that I have enjoyed in the past that I haven't used in a while or recently, and I just want to share it with you guys. So that's what we're doing here today. I just want a chill, relax type of video. I'm trying to use what I have as far as my older palettes, and I haven't had the chance to play with them too much because I've been trying out new things for you guys. So I just wanted to take a step back and use some of the things that I already own that I know I love. So I basically have done my base products, my eyebrows, I primed my eyelids, and I did my bronzer because I am panning a bronzer. So even though it's an old favorite, it's the same old. It's the Sephora Los Cabos bronzer. That's a good one if you like a nice satin type of bronzer. It's really good. So I'm going to do my blush just because I kind of look awkward without blush. So I'm going to use Frat Boy from the Bomb. This is one of my older favorites and I really like it. Haven't used it in a while, so I figured this is what it looks like if you don't know what this looks like. It's like a peachy pink. One of my favorites, one of my first peachy pink blushes. So I'm gonna put this sucker on, and it is pigmented. I forgot how pigmented this was. Look at that. Trying to do something different and bring my blush a little bit closer when I smile, just to change things up a little bit. It makes your cheek, like, around your face, but I can get away with it. Now for highlight, I also want to put on my highlighter. This is an old favorite of mine and I don't hear many people talk about it. This is Tarte Exposed Highlighter. I know not many people speak about this one, but it is pretty. And I haven't used it in a while, so I figured let's play with this one. I'm going to buff this into the skin. Look how pretty that is. Oh, that's so pretty. I love this highlighter. If you buff it in, it doesn't look bad. So I know some people say it has like glitter flexes, but tap off the excess and then buff. And it'll look so pretty on the skin. It has a really nice scent to it too. I always just pat it in, you know, because that's what I do. Alright, so now that we got the face out of the way, my eyelids are primed. So we're going to use 3 different products here because I couldn't decide and I wanted a monochromatic look. I wanted a yellow look. I haven't done a yellow look and I've always wanted to do one. So now that I have certain products that can work with it, I'm going to do it. So I'm going to use the Blush Tribe Blossom palette, and I'm going to use the yellows in here. Obviously, I'm going to include the Subculture palette. Again, this is one of my favorites for the winter, fall time. I know it's not many people's, but it is for me. And then we're also going to use the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit because I want to use this yellow on my lids. I love this as an inner corner, but I want to use it on my lids today. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to sit back, relax, enjoy the show. So I'm going to go ahead. The first color I'm going to use is Daisy, which is this one right here. It's like a white yellow. It's not super dark, but I'm sure it's going to be pigmented. Yeah, we're going to put this in our crease. I did not set my primer, but I let it dry, like settle. So you guys can see that's very, very light. Like I could skip this step, this one, but I just wanted something where the shadows can blend on top of nicely. So that's what we is doing today. Do I hear a kid waking up? Now the next shade we're going to use is Sunflower, which is right there. Sunflower. This is more of a deeper yellow, and I'm going to concentrate this more on the crease, just as another blending, because we're going to add another one on top of that, because That's how crazy I am, I know. I've been dying to do this look for so long, and I think what got me to do it is the fact that this winter all we've had is snow, rain, cloudy days. It's very, very few days that I can say I've seen the sun. So I wanted to do a sun look. 2 days ago we had snow, and then it rained yesterday, now it's sunny today, and then tomorrow back to gloomy, and then we're gonna get snow again this weekend. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to, which one? Edge. I'm gonna grab Edge from the Anastasia palette. I was debating between Edge and this shade right here, but I think I'm gonna go with Edge. So I'm gonna grab the same brush, and we're going to concentrate this out here. Hopefully this will be dark enough. I think so. And you know I'm going to do it with a bold lip. I know you guys can do a nude lip with this, but you guys know me and nudes. We just don't get along. As much as I try to wear nudes, it has to be the specific occasion. I'm going to grab a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to buff gently, because I don't want to buff everything away either. Okay, so this is what our look is looking like as of now. So now I'm going to go into the Anastasia Dream palette, and I'm going to grab a flat shader brush. I can actually use my finger. You know what? I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to go into the shade Sunshine. We're gonna put this on the lid. Oh, it's so pretty. Believe it or not, I do not own a yellow base. Do I own a yellow? No. I don't think I own a yellow cream shadow. Which is a shocker. Look how pretty that is. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted in a look. I don't even know if I think I do have yellow glitter. I'm trying to get in the inner corner with my finger. Oh, that is so pretty. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Blend up here. Oh, that's so pretty. I think I might end up getting a little bit of New Wave, which is right here. Just a tad bit, and just to kind of deepen out the outer part here. Ever so gently. It's like a yellow orange. Look at that. Blend it out again gently. I'm going to just blend a little bit more of Sunshine onto my lid just to make it look more uniform. Is looking nice. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the New Wave, and we're going to blend it out with Edge. Let's see how this will work. Because I've never done it on the lower lash line, but I want to do it all the same. for the inner corner, we're going to go into the highlighter, exposed highlighter. I'm just going to go in the inner corner. That'll go perfect with this. Oh, so pretty. All right, so now I'm going to do the waterline, which is going to be black. I'm going to do it black just to make it really stand out. I'm debating on whether to do a wing line or not, and if I am, it's going to be super thin or no line at all. It's just going to be across the lid because I really like how it turned out. I don't want to mess it up. It just looks so nice. I really like this look. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll finish off with the lips. I'll come back and show you guys what I'm going to use on the lips. All right, so I did a baby wing, like seriously the smallest little wing possible. Lashes, black in the waterline, my mascara, and then for lips, this is an old favorite, and I like to pull this out this time of year. This is my only Tom Ford lip color in Bruised Plum. It's very, very pretty, very comfortable, lasts all day. Already lined my lips, so I'm just gonna fill this in. So that's it, guys. I genuinely love how this turned out. Like, if you could see this in person, it is just absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love multitasking my products. Mixing this one with other formulas works really well. You don't just have to use the ones in here, and I hope that that has come across over and over. You don't have to stick with just these. You can pull colors out of here and use them with other things to make this palette work if you do have it and you haven't been able to get rid of it or whatever the case may be. This highlighter I absolutely love. Blush is one of my all-time favorites. It stays in my everyday makeup drawer because I like to use it all the time. And then this lip color, it's just fun. My only very expensive high-end lip product that I have, that I use and enjoy, and I genuinely love. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for just chilling, throwing it back, having fun. I will catch you guys in a video probably tomorrow. Thank you again for just chit-chatting and enjoying my get ready with me's and my play dates and things. I enjoy doing them, and I'm glad you guys do too. So I will catch you guys in another video tomorrow, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.